Imagine earning $212 every single day just by playing and creating simple games without needing any coding skills, design experience, or technical background. Sounds unreal? Stick with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how everyday people are turning gaming into daily income in the US. Here's the secret. You don't need to build the next Fortnite or Call of Duty. Platforms like Roblox, itch.io, and Gamefruit allow you to create simple, fun games using drag-and-drop tools. No programming required. Once your game is live, you can monetize it through in-game purchases, skins, upgrades, passes, ad revenue from platforms that host your game, affiliate links inside your game description, selling access to premium versions. Now here's the math. If just 100 players spend $2.12 daily on your game, that's $212 in your pocket every single day. And the best part? These platforms already have millions of US players searching for new games, so you don't need to worry about finding an audience.